Hi guys, I'm going to show you my healthy Halloween snack. We need to make this rich pie, olives, carrots and hummus, and different material like a container and a spoon. So if you are ready, let's go. We are going to make a skull with fingers, like this. Step 1. You have to take your hummus, open your container, and with your spoon take a bit of hummus, and you have to prepare your skull with your fingers. When you finish, clean your hands. Step 2. Build or create your own skull, and now use the fingers. To create the fingers, you have to fix carrot, put the nails to the fingers, and put in your skull. When you have created your nails, now you can continue working in a little part. And this one are the teeth. Step 3. The olive butter, and take 2 olives. And put. So now you have finished, and tomorrow you bring it to the school to your breakfast. Bye bye.